In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers and dear nature lovers. Very warm welcome to you in Ashraf Botanical Garden. Viewers, right now I am showing you a weed. Yes, viewers, this weed is often confused with the Dandelion, Targazacam officinale. You can see, but it is also called the false Dandelion. Here I am going to show you the close-up. The flowers are like ray florets, and you can see that by having a close look. You can see underside of the flower there are several green bracts. This is a very stubborn weed and is often found in pastures, roadsides, fields, and in your lawns. Its botanical name is Occurrence radicata, and the common names include cat's ear, spotted cat's ear, or false Dandelion. This is a very beautiful flower, as you can see that the diameter of the flower is 1 to 1.5 inch, and it gives flowers profusely. It's a perennial and is native to Europe, Western Asia, and Northern Africa. Viewers, this plant, as you know that the dandelions can be eaten, but this false dandelion is a toxic plant and it exudes milky sap when plucked. You can see when you pluck the flower or the leaf, milky sap is exudes, which is a toxic material. You can see the leaves and the flowers. This can be propagated or reproduce itself with the seeds or from roots. So viewers, I'm sure you have enjoyed this video, because now you can quite easily understand, you can recognize this weed in the wild, in your lawns, and you can physically pluck them to get rid of this weed from your lawns. But when you go outside and in jungles and in pastures, there are thousands and thousands of these flowers, yellow flowers looking like suns. They give really a beautiful look. Share this knowledge with your friends and family members and all those who love the nature. And viewers, if you have not yet subscribed Ashraf Botanical Garden, do it now to receive such beautiful videos regarding the nature. Allah Almighty keep you happy and healthy.